Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Where are you from? Where do you live? And what is your name?
I live in Bahrain. I'm a resident of, I'm an NRI. I live in Bahrain. Past 12 years I'm in Bahrain.
Okay. Your name?
My name is Anjum.
How did you come to know about the condition that you have?
I found a small mutter size lump in my breast. So I have recognized it, and within a week I have went to the hospital.
Okay. What all scans did they do?
A mammography and ultrasound.
Okay. So what was the result of it?
Something lumps, lymph nodes is seen. They are connected to the lump, that small lump.
Okay.
They recommended biopsy the same day.
Same day. Okay.
Same day. I rebelled and I reacted negatively. It will not happen to me. Maybe that is a small fat-like structure. Unnecessarily, I don't want to go for the biopsy. But my husband convinced me, and I have done the biopsy. 10 days, after 10 days, I got the report. On the same day report, next day I traveled to India. And my brother's friend, Dr. Ehtasham, he recommended Mohan sir. He first suggested me to the top oncologists in the city, and then convinced me that Mohan sir is the best, one of the best, and you go for the Mohan sir. And Mohan sir's convincing and explaining with the patient that helped me to learn a lot in deciding Omega Hospital. And I all complete with the trust in Mohan sir, I came to Omega Hospital.
So when Mohanavamsy sir explained you about the condition and what is the next procedures to be done, how did you feel? Because you had the fear, right?
Yes.
As soon as you heard. So how did the feeling go away, or how did the doctor actually comfort you?
He comforted me. It is a very early stage. It is nothing to do. This kind of things we have done many. Nothing to worry. And he explained me very in simple words. So my fear was gone, and with happily I came to the surgery. Only I first felt that maybe my organ will be removed. First, females phobia is there, that if breast cancer is there na, so organ will be removed. That is the first fear ladies will have. So the surgery procedure sir explained to me. So nothing to lose is there. Very simple surgery and a frozen section, he said. I am very convinced with that, and happily with smiling I came to the hospital, and I have done my surgery, and Mohan had done it. It's a very I felt nothing troubling or nothing. A very, very simple surgery, happily done, and the same day, next day I have normal in the hospital. I have gone everything, and I done my walking also, everything.
Okay.
So for first chemo I have feared again.
Yeah.
That is a very
so after surgery you were suggested to do the chemo, yeah.
So chemo is also because I have taken some videos, reviews na, they are very threatening and very we actually die before the procedure.
Yeah.
Maybe for video purpose, many people they say something very dangerous things and very harming words they use, vomiting and everything. They said that na, in the way they cannot talk, they cannot drink anything. Many scary videos I have seen. So I have rebelled a lot. I don't want to go for chemo. My surgery is done, my cancer is over, and I need not to go. I will not. I literally fight with my family. I running in my home. And the same time I got a call from one of my mom's cousin. He consoled me. He has done the colon cancer surgery 15 years back, and he recommended that Mohan sir is the best one. Nothing to worry, only red color IV fluid in this. Nothing is there. You don't fear. Then I came to the hospital and taken the first cycle of the chemo. I am very comfortable and nothing happened to me. After chemo, I was happy. Even I am relaxed, very relaxed. The next day I was discharged from the hospital. Nothing is there, nothing complications were started. After going home, second day I have felt some itching, discomfort, some itching is there. So I immediate call to direct number Mohan sir shared with me. So I have called Mohan sir directly. Immediately he responded me and he prescribed a medicine. So within 5 minutes I have taken the medicine. But I forgot to come next day to the hospital. Since next day my body energy levels will become low. Even my family members, they thought that the reaction of the chemo, you have to bear it. They thought that even they are belong to the medical science, they are not well aware of the chemo outcomes. Now they have not seen to this kind. My brother is a dentist, he don't know chemo outcome also. They know it, but in general the physical, maybe this is the. So third day when I was waked up for the lunch, I was collapsed. My mother alarmed and my family members rushed to the hospital and they have started. That day my WBC count was 570. So I have mistakenly thought that 57,000. I felt my WBC count is very high. That way I have reacted. Even my family members, everyone is praying for me, but I am very relaxed. I felt that this is the weaknesses, maybe because of the treatment purpose. I am relaxed, and even Mohan sir asked me anything, complications are there. I said I could not say anything, doctor. I am very dull, sir. That only I said. But I was not panicked. In the fourth day, Mohan sir said that your condition was very critical and your case was registered in the medical journal. Then I came to know that my condition was, how critical my condition was. So every day is my WBC count. I've taken to the thousands, millions I felt. So that is reacted very much. Maybe the reason, whatever may be the reason, 572 normal conditions, Mohan sir and her team, India ma'am, everyone they have done. And one of the most noble male nurse, I really thank Mr. Kumar. You have given me life. That night you served me very much. In my lifetime, always you pray for your success and your betterment. Your noble services is registered in my heart and my soul. Very kind person. Mr. Kumar, wherever he is there, he should succeed and he should be like that every time. And he is a noble asset for the medical science.
Today, where are we, ma'am?
Today I am doing my normal lifestyle. Nice. And I am coming independently with my 13-year-old son. I am coming to the hospital independently. I am even in the help desk. They said that who is the patient? I said I am the patient. They felt very happy and smiling. Every staff here is very smiling and welcoming. They are very well trained and very good kind of team. Mohan sir got it. Omega Medical City. I bless this because life. I don't understand that this is kind of complications will come when the patient came to the hospital. We don't know anything. We don't have knowledge. We have knowledge of other things, but we don't know what happens in our body and how doctors will take it and how doctors will treat. The noble service of the doctor when you come to the hospital and when you get ill, then we know I really salute all the doctors team here and everyone. They have supported me. Now I am in my life. I am in my shoes and I am doing my normal life. I am independently coming to the hospital. I am on weekly chemos now. 6th chemo, today is my 6th chemo and 6 more chemos to be there. Then inshallah I will be easiest survivor. Even the complications came. Mohan sir is like a father figure for me now. He is very kind doctor. I bless him healthy and long prosperous life. I bless his family because he has given life to me. Because of that my family is happy now.
Thank you very much. We hope that we could serve more lives like you and help more people.
Yes, my testimony is everyone should understand that don't panic. And early stage when you recognize that you have got the disease, you don't have to panic and you don't have to go here and there. And many of the people, they said that recommend many things like Ayurveda and Unani, other things, alternative medicines. Don't go for it. Go for the medical science. You choose first medical science, go for the treatment. If you delay the stages, will how your body reacts, you don't know.
Yeah.
I have never given time to the disease to spread in my body, and now my body is free from the cancer now, and doing well. Inshallah, I will never get cancer again in my life. Even my spirit, because of the doctor's support, I got this spirit of living, and this is my second life. Inshallah, I will recommend each and every patient that you don't waste time hearing and there and panicking and fried just because this is the word cancer itself very unacceptable word, very unacceptable word. No one accepts this one. Even I myself, I am very bold in my family. Always everyone says that I am a bold person, but even if I was a bold person, I panicked, I collapsed internally. When I heard that word cancer means, I collapsed. I am fighting with my internal soul that why I got this, like that. Every person, they felt that they don't want to accept that they are not get this kind of disease, because they felt that there is something different internal fight is there. A patient fights internally because they don't want to accept that they are cancer patients.
Yeah, why me?
Why me? And why should I get this? What wrong I have done? This kind of questions rise in the cancer patient. Okay. But the cancer word is not wrong, and you are not wrong, and the doctors are there. Now medical science is very well developed now. Don't panic and come to the doctor early. Many of the people, they will not show to the family also. They internally, one of the lady I am come to know that one of my friend circles, she's got some symptoms like breast lump. Internally she is crying and she is not even sharing with husband. And her two daughters are doctors, medicos. If anything happens to me, 5-6 months she is crying. I told her nothing is happened. Ask her to come to the hospital. In nowadays also, most of the people, if I got the cancer, my family will collapse. But if you don't take care of yourself, you will die. Many complications. Maybe you will not die, but you will suffer now. The family will suffer. If you take the first step, when you see it, you approach the doctor immediately. 100%, I can say that 99% chances are there. Only we delayed that, doctors cannot do it.
Why do you think some people delay it, ma'am?
Because,
why do you think some people
in the society, many people that if you get the disease, you are the culprit, you are done something bad to the society. That's because of that, God has given this kind of disease to destroy you. Many people, they think that like that only, because even I have faced this kind of thing from
that kind
society.
Of emotion or like,
they said that you have done something wrong to the family, you have done something, maybe personal grudges they will take, and dad has punished that person. This is not a punishment, this is a reward. This is the disease. You are come to close to the God Almighty, the Creator. After first chemo, I was collapsed. Then I started studying my Quran and everything. So my belief system become very strong. I trust in Almighty Allah very much. He is the Creator. He created me in the mother's womb, in the dark mother's womb. And one day I had to go it. That is the natural process. If He wills, I will go. If His will is not that, I will not go. Why should I will listen to the society? They don't know. They are the silly people. Yeah. They are the silly people. They don't know. They don't know medical science. Their doctors' work and the R&D has done in the many people's. They are earning their lot hours on the research, and they are giving the medicine to us. Why we are not any criminals, na? Yeah. We are not the criminals for society. We are patients. We are close to God. Here, each patient, I say that this is the noble place then mosque and temple, because here one person consoles other person, one person share his pain with other person. There is no religion here, no faith is here, only one religion is there, their health is there. I have seen a lady in Omega. She is very slim. I can say she is a bundle of bones and very short lady. I see her lonely roaming and she is taking care of the treatment. With her presence in the hospital, I got my soul very strong. My willpower becomes very strong. Why can't is a old lady, she is individually roaming in the hospital and taking the treatment. Why can I am very young and I am very educated, well educated. Why should I fight? I have to fight with the treatment. I have to pray with God. My bond with Almighty Allah has become very strong, and I always pray this medical science will grow and their noble services will be served the humanity very much, so that humanity will survive. And I request the people who say difficult words in their difficult times, it's not good for you. Allah will take care of you.
Correct, ma'am. Today you have spoken very good things actually. I'm really impressed how you saw the things, correct. So from the time you said that you rebuilt your faith, of course it is very tough to rebuild the faith, but you did not lose trust. And also you have said that people needs to act fast. As soon as they know something, they should not keep it inside. They have to go. Early detection cures. That's what Omega is also trying to tell everyone, because we know the pain that causes once they hear they have a cancer, correct. So thank you very much for telling us that because I was detected early, I was able to cure myself, because that's the main message that we want to convey everyone. And the main message also includes that we have the enough technological advancements to cure cancer, and there is no need to get scared about it. That's the reason Dr. Mohanavamsy sir is also giving so many risk factors and symptoms all the time in his media channels, so that he educate people how to detect early and go to some oncologist near them.
Yes, everyone see this video and spread it, because cancer is spreading very fast in India. So awareness is needed. That's the reason I came to the camera. This is the first time I'm facing the camera, but I have to give a message, and you will put all your trust in Almighty Allah.